Hi everyone, you're welcome to this channel. Today is a beautiful day and I'm going to walk you through the process of creating text to speech using CapCut. For someone who is in the video editing space, you know CapCut is a very simple, versatile and easy to use video editing application that so many content creators are using. And for this reason, I'm going to help you understand the nitty-gritty and all that it takes to create text to speech using CapCut. And there are a few more advice I'm going to give you that's going to make your work a whole lot easier. Guys, let me walk you through the process. Now guys, this is the CapCut video editing environment, and to create text to speech, we'll go to the menu and select text. You can see this is where text is on the main menu. So I just select it, and of course you can see on the timeline I've arranged my clips. So I'll add this text. So the text page is added on my timeline. Mind you, this is what we're going to use. So we're trying to create text to speech. So we'll go to the right side and we'll find this text page where we can write whatever it is that we want to write. Okay, so look at it, it's here. So I'll write this is a cultural celebration from northern Nigeria. Beautiful. Don't forget, your punctuation marks are very important, because as the AI reads the punctuation mark is going to set the tones and you're going to feel the difference. You can try different using different punctuation marks and see the difference. Okay, let's go on. So after typing your text, what you're next supposed to do is up this place. Of course, one beautiful thing before I forget is that this text here, there are multiple things you can do with the text. You know, you can change the size, the font size. Like, let me reduce this to 8. Okay, the font size to 8. If I want to make it bold, I can do that. You know, you can change the color, the casing, whether it's bold, italicized, underline, small letters, capital letters. You know, all these things, preset styles, font styles, they're also here for you to select. And I want to give this text a background so that it will be readable. So I'm going to give it a black background, guys. Beautiful. Now let me bring it down so that it doesn't look like a text, just caption. Okay, so remember what I wrote is, this is a cultural celebration from northern Nigeria. Beautiful. Now I've written this. What we're supposed to do next is to go to the menu and select text to speech. Now don't forget, you have to be online. Okay, so this is my text to speech, and here are different voices, so many voices for you to choose from. It's a library of voices for you to choose. Look at how many those voices are. There are lots and lots and lots of them. So it's up to you to try and choose the one that you enjoy it most. Let me try 1 or 2 and see.
This is a cultural celebration from northern Nigeria.
This is a cultural celebration from northern Nigeria. This is a cultural celebration from northern Nigeria.
Okay, I love this chill girl. So this chill girl is what I'm going to use. So I'm going to generate speech from this last voice. Okay, so I'll click the generate speech button. Beautiful, it has generated the speech. Now when you go back to the timeline, you find out that this has been generated. But look at it.
This is a cultural celebration from northern Nigeria.
Perfect. This is good. But one thing is still missing. When you look at the caption, it only displays a part of the sentence. It doesn't, the text pages doesn't change. The captions doesn't change with the words. So how do you fix this?
Cultural celebration from northern Nigeria.
Now what this one means, especially this one is a very short sentence, but when you have a very lengthy script like 2, 3, 4 pages, how do you go about it? Let me add one more thing. Okay, So this is another text page I've just added. And assuming you have your script written somewhere, all you need to do is just to go and copy it. Copy the script rather. One paragraph at a time. So we're coming to our text. This is our text. Here we paste. Good. Remember I told you earlier that punctuation marks are very, very essential. They determine how good, how smooth the intonations and whatever it is, how the whole speech is going to sound. So punctuation marks are very good. Okay. Now earlier we used the font size of 8. So let me reduce it to 8. Good. This is 8. I'm going to give it a black background, just do we did with the first one. Alright, black background, beautiful. Good, let me bring it down. Okay, so having done this, we'll go to text to speech, and earlier we selected chill girl. So we're also going to select the same chill girl here so that she will convert.
In the southern part of Bauchi metropolis lies a unique and deeply respected ethnic group known as the Buli people.
Beautiful. Now I'm converting this to speech. This text is being converted to speech. Beautiful. It has been converted to speech. That's great. So let me reduce the length of my clip a bit so that it will be more beautiful. Wow. All right. So let's play it and see.
The southern part of Bauchi metropolis lies, which they continue to preserve.
Good. I think this is beautiful. So we don't have problem now. The only problem we're having is that these captions, they don't change. It remains fixed, guided as the most peaceful people in the region. That's the only thing that displays. So how are we going to do? We're going to delete this text pages, leaving the speech, which is recorded in the lower end of the timeline. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to make CapCut to create the captions automatically. So we go to the caption menu, which is here. Click it. Now we've clicked the caption menu. Spoken words, yes, we choose English. If there's a bilingual captions, we need another language, we could choose, but for this reason we don't need. So what is left is for us, now that we've selected automatic captions, we'll just click generate. You can see it. Beautiful. Now it has generated these captions, but we need to also go back and correct those texts so that they look very beautiful. Okay, the font size is 7, which is okay. The color of the font is white, which is okay. We need to give it a background, which is cool. Give it a black background. And I think we don't have any problem for now. We can go back and read, and we'll notice the changes as the speech goes on. The required caption will be there. So this is how we go about it. Let's watch and see.
Cultural celebration from northern Nigeria. Nestled in the southern part of Bauchi metropolis lies a unique and deeply respected ethnic group known as the Buli people, also referred to as the Bulala, widely regarded as the most peaceful people in the region.
Beautiful. That is great. So guys, this is how you go about creating text-to-speech in whatever project you embarked upon. Yo, this is it. If you really enjoyed this, why not subscribe? Share so that many more people get to know these basic things. And all of us will be happy at the end. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the subsequent videos.